Hello, welcome back. Alright, welcome to my fruit and nut bread and butter pudding. Alright, so this is like my take on the traditional bread and butter pudding. First thing we're going to do is whack our oven on 160 degrees Celsius. Now we need to get ourselves a heat-proof oven dish to make it in, and then we need a big oven dish so we can put water in when we go to put it in the oven after. Now last time I did it with a deep dish, but it was a lot smaller and it was impossible to get it out of, so make sure you've got something that you're going to have a lot of room to get it out with when it's finished. Alright, we'll put that aside. Next thing we need is 1 cup of slithered almonds. Get a little frying pan. Alright, you don't want any oil or anything in there, you just want them on its own. We're going to turn it on low and we're just going to toss it around and toast it until it's light brown. You don't want to burn them, just light brown. Once they look lovely and toasty like this, oh my god, they're so yummy this way. Alright, put them aside. I like to use, this one's called raisin toast. I think it's also called fruit loaf, is what I think we used to call it. Anyway, I like using this stuff, alright. So for this one, this is what we do. Normally you get your stale, or I think most people use stale bread, but I don't use anything. So you can use stale, fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. We toast it, so whack them in the toaster first. For this next part we're also going to need sultanas. We're going to need white sugar, and I am using some white chocolate melts today, but you can use dark or milk chocolate if you want, or you can leave them out. Alright, toast it. Butter. Nice big water butter. Now for this one I like to slice them up, so I'll do them into say 3 slices for this one, and we want to layer the bottom of our dish. You know what I mean by if you slice them, it's easy to get them in because you can push them around a bit and make them the right size. Okay, the next thing we want to do for the first layer is a sprinkle, light little sprinkle of sugar, normal plain white sugar. And we want to put some sultanas on there. That's up to you how little or how many you like. I love sultanas and dried fruits, and I just love it all. Then we want to put 1/3 of our almonds on there. Now if you don't like lots and lots, you can just do even half a cup's plenty, but well mate, bring it on. Now you can make it with other nuts if you want. I just think that the slithered almonds toasted up like that are just amazing with it. Okay, then we layer our second layer. For our second layer, we don't want the sugar. We want to put the sultanas. The almonds. And the white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever chocolate you want to do. Now you can chop it up if you want, but I like putting it in chunks. But yeah, you can chop it up really, really small, sprinkle it all over it. I only put the chocolate on in the middle layer. It's just, oh, a little bit of indulgence and something different. And it is so Moorish. You can eat this hot or cold, and it's amazing. It tastes just as good the next day if you want to reheat it. It's easy to nuke as well. Got no problems nuking it if you like using microwaves. Alright. Next layer. Last layer. Yay! Sprinkle the sugar. Give it a nice little crust this time for the top one. Sultanas. And then the rest of your almonds, and then we're going to put it aside, or we're going to sit it in our tray, and then we are going to make our custard. We're almost there. Okay, 4 eggs in a minimum 4 cup jug. Give them a good whisk up. We want to add 1/2 cup of castor sugar. Mix that in. Then we want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah. Mix that in. Now we need to add milk. I'm just going to add a bit at a time just to mix it in properly, up until the 4 cup mark. Once we've whisked it in really well, grab our pudding with the oven tray, have it in the oven tray ready to go, make sure you can see. Alright, and then we just slowly take our time, because it'll take a while to do it. Slowly pour it over it. Let it soak in, pour over it, let it soak in until you've done the whole lot. Once it's all in there, rinse out your jug and fill it up with water. Alright, so I'll just pour it in the side here until we half fill up to our actual baking dish itself. So I'll probably use another half a jug. Then we put it in the oven and we cook it nice and slow for approximately an hour. I'll let you know in a minute exactly how long it took. Just be careful putting it in and out. Oh, look at this little beauty. It smells good up in here. I'll tell you what, mate, it smells like perfection. Alright, let's cut a bit up. It smells awesome. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Mate. Oh yeah. Oh, it is so good. Oh. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Now you can have it, I love just eating it on its own, but you can even have it with ice cream, and this is my other favourite way, fresh cream. Oh baby, stop it. Bye.